video, I will show you how to set up Shopify POS on Shopify. Shopify admin website on a web browser. Make sure to log into your account. In the left panel, click the Add Apps tab. Now, click the App Store option at the bottom. Here, search for POS in the search bar to find it. It'll show you various apps related to POS search. Next, select the point of sale app from the given options. After that, click the Install button to get started. Scroll down and set it up by providing the required details. It unifies your online and retail stores to strengthen sales conversions wherever you sell and helps you build stronger relationships with your customers. It has all the essential features you need to make sales, track performance, and manage customers' orders and inventory. You can also set up the staff settings and save them to apply. Reach the Locations tab from the left panel to set up a store location. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.